Look at Max. He is awake, but he is not conscious. He wakes up at 7 a.m. to an alarm he hates. He drinks coffee he doesn't taste. He drives a car he can't afford to a job he doesn't like, just to impress people he doesn't even respect. Max thinks this is normal. He thinks this is life. He tells himself, I just need a raise. If I make $5,000 more a year, I will be happy. But Max is lying to himself. Last year, Max got a raise. What did he do? He bought a nicer apartment. He upgraded his phone. He started eating at better restaurants. His income went up, but his happiness, it stayed flat. This is called the hedonic treadmill. Max is running fast, sweating, exhausting himself, but he hasn't moved an inch. He is financially asleep. And unless he wakes up today, he will sleepwalk until he is 65, exhausted, and empty. Why is Max trapped? Is he stupid? No. Max is actually very smart. The problem isn't his IQ. The problem is his operating system. Max has been programmed by society with a virus. The virus is called consumerism. The virus whispers to him, you are not enough. But if you buy this, you will be enough. You are boring, but if you travel here, you will be interesting. You are unsafe, but if you own this house, you will be safe. So Max buys. He buys comfort. He buys status. He buys distraction. But look at his bank account. It is empty. Look at his face. It is stressed. Max isn't buying things with money. He is buying them with time. That $50,000 car, that wasn't $50,000. That was 2,000 hours of his life, sitting in a fluorescent office. Max didn't spend money. He spent his freedom. He traded his life force for metal and plastic. This is the glitch. Max thinks money is the goal, but money is just a stored form of time. When you waste money, you are killing your future self. Today, Max changes. Today, he unplugs from the matrix. He realizes that rich is not a number in a bank account. Rich is the ability to wake up in the morning and say, I own this day. He looks at his expensive car. He doesn't see a trophy anymore. He sees a shackle. He sells it. He looks at his closet full of clothes. He sees clutter. He clears it out. He stops trying to impress strangers. He starts impressing himself. For the first time, Max buys assets, not liabilities. An asset feeds you. A liability eats you. He buys stocks. He buys index funds. He buys freedom. It hurts at first. His friends laugh at him. Why are you driving that old car, Max? Are you broke? Max smiles. He doesn't answer, because he knows something they don't. He knows that while they look rich, he is becoming free. This change didn't take 10 years. It took one decision. The decision to stop being a consumer and start being an owner. To stop valuing stuff and start valuing time. Max is still working the same job, but now he is not a slave. He is a spy. He is collecting capital to buy his escape. Every dollar he saves is a soldier fighting for his freedom. Every investment is a brick in the wall of his fortress. The alarm rings at 7 a.m. Max opens his eyes, but this time, he is actually awake. This video was just the wake-up call. But waking up is useless if you don't know how to walk. Most people will close this video and go back to sleep. They will go back to the mall. They will go back to the debt. Don't be them. Next week, we stop talking philosophy. We start building the engine. I am going to show you the exact mathematical system to crush your debt in half the time. No magic, just math. Max is ready to fight for his freedom. Are you? This channel is not for entertainment. This is a blueprint for your escape. If you want to stay asleep, click away. But if you want to build a fortress of wealth that no one can take from you, then subscribe. Class is in session. I'll see you at the top.